Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pounded yam. Quick and easy way. In this video, you're going to get 2-in-1, 2 ways to make pounded yam. If you're interested, please keep watching. If you're new here, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Please do not forget to thumbs up, drop your comment. Thank you as you do so. Let's get started. To make pounded yam, you need pounded yam flour. Here I have 300 grams of pounded yam flour. Then I have water, 800 ml of water. I have my pot in a medium high. To that I'm going to be adding the water, but I'm not going to add all of it. I'll leave some for later use. Then I'm going to add the pounded yam flour. After adding it, I'm going to start mixing and mixing until there's no lumps. If you notice, I did not allow the water to boil before adding the pounded yam flour. This method is easier for somebody who is making pounded yam the first time. After mixing for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring it frequently, this is the consistency you're going to get. Look at that, smooth. The consistency is so smooth. The lumps has disappeared. Now the job begins. So you're going to continue mixing and stirring until it becomes thick and form a dough. The last video I made on how to make pounded yam in the mortar, a lot of you said it's hard job. So I have another video for you to make your pounded yam easy, but there's a lot of mixing, stirring. So with this, you need energy. You need a little bit of energy to mix and mix. At this time, I'm adding the remaining pounded yam flour. Then I'm going to mix and add more water. With this pounded yam, depending on how you want the texture to be, some people like it harder, softer, in the middle. I like it in the middle. So you are in control of how you want your pounded yam to be. The more water you add, the more softer. The more pounded yam flour you add, the more harder. So you're in control. You can make your pounded yam the way you want it. The texture, how hard, how soft you want it. But the one I'm making now is in the middle. That is medium hard. After mixing and mixing until it forms a soft dough, next I'm going to add some water. After adding the water, I'm going to cover and cook in a low heat for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and I'm going to check on the pounded yam. Look at that. With a wooden spoon, I'm also going to mix and mix again until it forms a smooth dough, smooth pounded yam. You don't want any lumps. Pounded yam must not have lumps. That's the policy of pounded yam. So I'm going to mix and mix. As I said, this requires energy, a little energy, and that is the mixing process. But I'm going to show you the microwave one. Just keep watching. Pounded yam is ready. The next step is to wrap. I'm going to wrap it in a food bag and keep it aside. This is how to make pounded yam in the stove or in your gas. So did you see that pot? The best pot to make your pounded yam is non-stick pot. Do you see that pot? It's like I didn't even make any pounded yam in the pot. I'm just giving you this tip in case you want to make your pounded yam in the gas. Just use your non-stick pot and you're good to go. The second way is to boil your water in the kettle. After boiling the water, you need a mixing bowl, your pounded yam flour, and the hot water. I'm going to pour the hot water into the bowl. After that, I'm going to add the pounded yam flour. Then I'm going to mix with a wooden spoon and mix until there's no lumps. Then I'm going to transfer to the microwave to heat up for 4 to 5 minutes. After heating it up in the microwave for 5 minutes, you're going to also mix again for 2 to 3 minutes until the pounded yam is smooth. Very easy. I prefer the microwave one. To be honest, the microwave one is my best, like my favorites. When I'm making pounded yam, I just make in microwave. But if you don't have the microwave, you can make your pounded yam in the stove or your gas. Let me know which one is your favorite. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer to make your pounded yam in the microwave? Do you prefer to make in the stove? Also, do you prefer to pound in the mortar? I have a video where I pounded yam in the mortar. I'm going to put the link in the description box, so check that out. It's going to be on the description box. It's fun to watch. You don't want to miss that video. You need to watch that video. Your girl was pounded yam, yes, and I live in the UK. Thank you so much. And pounded yam you can eat with any soup of your choice, egusi, ogbono, bitter leaf. That's what I love about pounded yam. So please subscribe to this channel. If you're new here, you've not seen my face before, my name is Joy. I'm a YouTuber that lives in UK, Nottingham precisely. So please subscribe. Thank you so much. Share this video with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, drop your comment. I want to know what you think. Do you like this video? Like it, please. Thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. I love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.